Hi guys, for this video, so today, ka-remember pa mo ani na game? Karing horror game. So karon ato din siyang dulaon. Yes, easy. Okay, let's go. So ka-remember mo pa mo ani guys, katong nadula ko aning horror game. Okay? So yeah, let's go. Pero karon mag-escape ta. Yes, kabalo ako mag-escape ang so yeah, let's go. Okay, we have okay. So mangitatag yang ani 12 ka yang ani. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Okay, para maka-escape. Escape ba? Okay. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so pero karon mag-escape ta guys. Let's try escape. Okay, na yung eyes. Na yung eye. Okay, and tayo na pa yung mata dali. Okay, asa siya? Okay, maglayo pa man tingali. Okay, wala na. Okay. Kalimember pa man yung nadula guys. Mulag di naman tayo maka-remember. Okay. Okay, so asa ay wala. Okay. So, log ka kuan ha kaning unsa siya. Kana unsa siya. Kamura siya gusto na kwarta. Okay. Ay wait. Okay, wala. Okay, kalit ng TV dali. Okay. Lang. Okay, asa naman si Kuan. Kasi ito si Miss Krasu. Si Miss Krasu. Miss Krasu ba to siya? Oh, okay. Okay, we have 12. Okay. 12 atong kailangan. Okay, 9. Okay. I need a tool. Ooh, what's this? Okay, need lang tag duha no. Duha ba? Oh, duha. Okay, duha. Ay, turo di guys. Ay, bitang. Nasi Miss Karsu guys. Nasi Miss Karsu. Nasi Miss Karsu. Okay. Okay na siya. Okay. Wait, pa si Miss Karsu. Okay. Ooh, okay. Find the exit and escape. Okay. So, escape ta. Ay, wait lang. Oops. Okay. Okay. Murag. Okay, napa siya guys. Wait lang. Na pa man siya guys. Wait lang. Okay. Find the exit and escape. Okay. Okay. Nagapa mo si Miss Krasu. Pa ba siya? Okay, so exit lang. Let's find the exit to escape Miss Krasu. Okay, ara exit. Okay, let's go. Okay, we skip guys. Okay, it was here. I'm sure of it. It even looked similar. This place was supposed to be abandoned, and now I'm seeing here why I can't check the feeling that she keeps calling me that she's still in the shadows that should I do. Okay, let's go. Naka-escape na ta, guys. Okay, so naka-escape na ta. And okay. Okay, so yes, diri ara kita na to video, guys. Short na to video karon kay naka-escape na siya. Yes. So yeah. Bye, guys.